This is your reminder that nobody is coming to save you. Not your mom, not your bestie, not your ex, not that cute guy that you keep looking at on Instagram. But before you panic, that's actually a good thing because it means that you hold the power to change everything. Have y'all noticed that I don't even say new year, new me? This will be my year. Just for me to be scrolling on TikTok all day long, not getting no work done, no playing, no nothing. This is not new year, new me. Oh, but this year, baby, we're doing it completely different. New process, new faith, new structure, new results. Don't spend a different year doing the same thing. So here are 10 glow up habits that you can do and that you can practice so it can have you looking better physically, mentally, and emotionally. Like I always tell y'all, grab your snacks, grab your chips, grab your juice, your wine, your soda, whatever it is you drink, your water, whatever. I got my protein milk in here. We're no longer wasting our free time. I'm not sleeping no more. I slept all of 2024. Now it's time for me to get back to work. Number one, we're gonna start our mornings with intention. In 2024, what I used to do in the morning is I used to wake up, get my son ready for school. I don't go to work until 9:15. So from 7 o'clock all the way up until 9 o'clock, I used to just go right back to sleep. More free time for me to sleep. Oh, I slept. Yeah, I slept all year long. I was never ready for the day. First thing I do, get on my phone, then go to the bathroom and do my bathroom routine. All before 9:15 was ready. And when you work, depending on the job, after you clock in, they do give you 15 minutes to spare. It's called admin work, where you check your emails and stuff like that. I would use those 15 minutes to do what I didn't do before I clocked in. So if I was able to brush my teeth and do my hair or whatever I was doing between 9 to 9:15, then from 9:15 to 9:30 I'm getting in the shower. Horrible time management. This is not good. This is horrible. This is what working from home does do to you. I'm supposed to be ambitious. How am I going to break generational curses, and how am I going to feed my family if I'm still asleep? Oh, new year, new me. What I started to do to start my morning with intention, from 7 up until 8 o'clock, I'm in my garage working out. Fourth quarter last year, I ended off really, really strong because I actually started to set intentions. I started to wake up with a whole other routine. Instead of me going back to sleep at 7, I will cook from 7 to 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, I'm right back in the bed. I started strong, but I still ended a little weak. Now, I don't go back to sleep. If you do something for 18 days, every single day, it creates a routine. I have tried that with working out and it actually did work. Now I wake up, I get my son ready for school, and then I go in the garage, I work out from 7 to 8 o'clock, and then from 8 to 9, I'm making breakfast, making sure I eat by 8:50. By 8:50, I'm going in the bathroom, bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm ready to work at 9:15. I'm ready to sit down for 8 hours. Like, now I'm ready. I do have my Bible here, so I read my Bible in between my free time that I have at work. So instead of waking up and grabbing your phone to scroll on Instagram for the first 30 minutes, how about you actually journal? Pray. This is the foundation of your glow up, and this is how you are going to start your day. When you start your day in taking bad energy, that's exactly what you are going to give out for the rest of the day. The first 30 minutes I'm on Instagram, what do I see? Baddies, now that's TV, this person arguing with her baby father, this one just lost her kid. It's going to mess with how I interpret things. Get off my phone for the first 30 minutes. I'm about to tell y'all the cheapest glow up product you can get. The cheapest. Water. Second, we are going to stay hydrated. Make sure you are drinking your water. This is not just things that I just throw out there just to say. No, make sure you are drinking your water. If water is too boring for you, cut up a lemon slice, drop that thing in that mug. Cut up a cucumber slice, drop that thing in that mug. Whatever you need to do to freshen up your water, make it taste a little go ahead and do that. You need your water intake. You need to count your water intake as well. If you need an aesthetic cup to drink out of, because I know girls is girls, and the girls, I'm specifically addressing the girls who do not drink water or who do not like water. Get you a cute little Stanley cup. I don't know what drinking with a straw does with our mental, but a lot of people like to drink out of a straw because it ensures that you get every last little bit. So if you need a drink with a very cold Stanley, a Simply Modern cup from Target, some little glass cups, I have those too with the glass straw. Whatever you need to get you to drink that water, girl, drink that water. And you a girl, so you definitely need to drink water. Third, we are going to develop a budget-friendly skincare routine. Friend, I'm about to break your heart when I say this. Friend, you do not need that 12-step skincare routine. You don't need it. Look at that man beside you. Look at that man on your phone. Do he do 12 skincare steps to take care of his skin? No. Most men use that same rag that they use to wash their bum. They use it on their face. Most men barely have a skincare routine. Most men use one product on their face, 1 to 2 products on their face for their skincare routine. This is most men. I'm not talking about the highly clean, perfect dudes. They usually have 1 to 2 things, 1 to 2 steps in their skincare. And I promise one of them is Vaseline. Get you a good Korean skincare product, or a good, it don't even have to be Korean. Something that works really, really well on your face. I have routines where I want to go all out on my face, where I want to dermaplane, I want to take off the blackheads and this, that, and the third. I usually do that 1 to twice a month. Dermaplaning I do every 3 weeks. But my regular skincare routine, I have my Anua cleansing oil. I have my La Roche-Posay. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but the cleanser, and then I have my ordinary serum, the toner. Get you a good baby Aquaphor and you're set. Just make sure you find what works for your skin and you stay consistent. Number 4, we are going to move our body. Get you some stretches going. You don't need to be a whole gym rat to where you just lifting up weights every single day. Some people don't want to work out, and I feel y'all on that, but you need to make sure that you are moving your body some way, somehow. You don't need to work out, but you need to get up and dance. You need to get up and move. If you gotta twerk, baby, to get up out that bed, baby, go ahead and twerk. One of my goals this year is to make sure that I pick up on a hobby, and that hobby is a certain type of dancing. No, it ain't pole dancing, no, it ain't stripping, but it's a certain type of dancing that I realized that I had a passion for, but very, very small. A very, very small hobby I don't really focus on. So I want to broaden on that, and I want to practice it more. Like, it makes me feel more feminine. Movement is therapy. Number 5, we're going to clean up our space, but I'm not talking about our physical space. I'm talking about our digital space on the phone. Stop ignoring Apple when it says that your storage is too full. It's telling you, but I don't think you're listening. You're not listening. Okay, you deleting 1 to 2 videos, that's not doing nothing, baby. You need to go through your photo album and pick out all of the things that you do not need and you haven't touched in a year. I know you have them screenshots and you feel like you're gonna need them one day, but you're not gonna. If you didn't need them now, you're not gonna need them later. If you do somehow feel like you still need them, go ahead and put in that iCloud, or Google Cloud, Google Photos, or whatever the Androids be having. Having a clean phone, it's like having a clear mind. Whenever I reset my phone, I feel like I just bought a brand new phone. 6, we are going to create a real life bedtime routine. Your late night scrolling in the bed, that's not cutting it at all. You being in a bed all day is not cutting it at all. You realize when you're in a bed all day, it's harder for you to go to sleep. It's harder for you to go to sleep because you've been in the bed all day. The mind don't know the difference. When you wake up, set that intention. If the intention is to make your bed, baby, make your bed. Do not get back in that mug. When it's time for you to actually go to bed at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, you're going to fall right to sleep. Because your body is trained to think, okay, when I see bed, sleep. Trick your mind. If you need to light a candle, light a candle. A lot of these routines fail because y'all don't romanticize it, or y'all don't prioritize it. Light you a candle, play you some nice white noise, whether it's a fireplace or rain or whatever you feel like you fall asleep to, put it on. Me, I fall asleep to my shows, so I put that on. Remember to start small, especially when you're trying to build a brand new routine. You don't need to do everything all at one time. Start small, baby steps. 7, we're going to practice our self-affirmations every single day. And I cannot emphasize this enough. Don't just look in the mirror and be like, I'm gonna be great today, and you don't believe that. I'm going to be this powerful black woman who makes a change in other black women's lives. Even if you don't believe it right now at this moment, the more you do it, the more you're going to believe it. Your brain will actually catch up. You ever look in the mirror and smiled at yourself, and then a few minutes later you're laughing? Your brain is catching up. Hello, what's not clicking, Steven? I always used to like suffer from like low self-esteem, especially when I was in school. So me doing my daily affirmations definitely helped me become confident, and not just confident when I'm around certain people, but confident around people that's better than me as well. Because I know in my head, okay, we are all equal. I know what I be telling myself. I have the energy that when I walk into a room, everybody's got to stop what they doing. Boom. That's an affirmation right there. Practice those. Number 8, we are going to plan our meals, but also our snacks too. You know, sometimes it's hard for people to meal plan, especially with a house full of people and everybody just be eating stuff up. But prep your snacks. When you eat junk food all the damn time, that's exactly how you're gonna feel. You're gonna feel like junk. You're gonna feel lazy. You're gonna feel like a bum. You're not a bum. You just feel like it because you just had that whole bag of Cheetos and now you're gobbling up some M&Ms. Stack up on some fruits, some nuts. Pineapples are really, really good for me. So guess what? When my boyfriend goes to the store, he picks me up a pack of pineapples. Strawberries, kiwis. I love fruit, so give it to me all. But pineapples is something I can eat back to back to back. Those cute little yogurt cups, Chobani's really good. I'm actually gonna have a yogurt as soon as I finish with this video. But yes, I also get the Nature Valley cashew bars. Keep it simple and accessible. I order these from Amazon, but they just ensure that I get my calorie intake for the day. But also, if I can't eat something for at that moment, I usually substitute with that. Number 9, we're going to prioritize our hygiene routine. You probably think you got it down pack. Baby, no. Research, prioritize these, and romanticize them. Shower, and when everybody think of a shower, they think of a quick shower, one and done. Me, I like to romanticize my showers. That don't mean I take an extra 20 minutes. No, my shower is still 10 to 15 minutes. It's just that I'm doing more in the shower. I'm double cleansing. I'm exfoliating. I'm using a scented body wash so that I can layer my scents. I'm shaving. I'm listening to music. I'm dancing. Whatever makes me feel good, I'm going to make sure I do it in the shower as well so that my shower feels good. That means scrubbing your feet when you get in the shower. Why do some people miss out on their feet? Oh, okay, because the water just runs down and the soap runs down too. Oh, but did you know that didn't actually clean your feet though, right? Oh, okay. Get into exfoliating, get into moisturizing, get into layering your scents. Last but not least, we are going to track our growth and our progress. Your glow up is a journey for you. And honestly, my planner is the perfect way to keep you on track. Not only does it already offer multiple routines for you, but it also allows you to create your own routine and keep you on track. It has the calendars for every month and it goes through with each day so that you can set multiple tasks for each day. And it even has daily reminders so that you can track your water intake. Where's that cup? Don't hesitate to click the link below to grab yours. I just gave you 10 glow up habits that you can practice while glowing up. Just remember to yourself, glowing up is not about perfection. It's not about doing everything right. It's not about that. It's just about showing up for yourself every single day, being consistent with prioritizing you. So let me know in the comments down below which habit you are starting off with and how you're gonna make a change to yourself this year in the year of 2025.